Hey guys, thanks for clicking to watch this video. Maybe you can help me out, maybe you can't, maybe you have a friend that can help me out with this problem. Today is the 4th of January 2018 and there's a snowstorm outside. The vehicle I just bought, a Ford Explorer Platinum. I love this vehicle, but then this is the first time I'm actually having this issue. I've had snowfall in the past. I don't know what it is. I do have to admit that in the past, when I tried to remote start when I tried remote started the first time, it actually won't turn over. And then when I try it again, it actually turned over. So I don't know, like, is that computer programming or something like that? Or the battery needs to be changed because it's too cold. Maybe it's a type of battery. Maybe, I don't know what it is. Maybe you guys can help me out. Again, as I said, you guys can help me out. So maybe you might have a friend. After this video, if you like, you can like, like or subscribe, or share to your friend that can actually help me with the situation. Without further ado, here's the clip of the video I recorded. Hello YouTube, I'm making this video because a brand new car that I just got, for some apparent reason, I tried starting the car and it's not starting. I tried to remote start the car, it tries to start, and then it doesn't. It basically just alarms. There it goes, it just alarms. I've cleaned off the car. I've done everything possible I think I could have done. It could be a fuel safe in the car, in the programming, or maybe the battery. It's the type of battery it has. So get in the car. I get in the car. I push start it. Everything I'm supposed to do. The light is green because I'm pressing the brakes. And I press the push start button. It comes on. It says push brake to start. And then the engine light is on. So I don't understand. My foot is on the brake. Nothing is happening. I don't understand. Everything is on. I didn't leave no lights on in the car, so I know the battery sure ain't dead. It shouldn't be. It still allows me to do all this shit. But turn it off. Try it again. Everything comes on. Radio's working. Everything else works. It just won't turn over. And it just keep telling me this. Full accessory, power active. And it's saying push brake to start. And I've been doing that. I've even been pressing the handbrakes. Nothing is happening. The car's in park. I don't know. I just want to try every damn thing. Put the car in neutral. I put it in neutral, try to start it. It sounded like it was trying to start, but nothing's happening. So if you guys know anything that can help me fix this, I don't want to open it. I don't want to open the hood of the car because it's still snowing. So please let me know.